Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. All right, so we're looking at lesson 28 of the John Kenyon's basic training course, and this is some chromatic work. All right, and another kind of scale, this is chromatic scale, starting on the pitch B flat. And they're showing you C sharp as the fourth pitch, and it has written above it in brackets D flat. And they do the same thing with the G sharp in the third measure, showing an A flat. So sharp's going up, flat's coming down, and that's just a typical pattern that you would follow when you're working through different types of music. All right, and now we're in a 6/8 patterns. This is 3, just 2 measures repeated, then 2 other measures repeated, and then the last 2 measures repeated. And they're doing this in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in a 2 feel. But I've also played songs in 6 that go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it all just matters on what is needed to make the music work. And here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and that leads us into number 4. And 5. Let's start that again. All right, and now we are on to Melody by Beethoven. This is actually Ode to Joy. The final part of Beethoven's Ninth Symphony, which is actually almost like the entire symphony is almost an hour long. But this is the most famous part of it. Arguably his most famous tune, actually. All right, here we go with part 7. And this is, there are 2 lines in part 7, so do them both. And here's the lowest part. All right, here we go with part 7. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.